Six Sigma roles and responsibilities. Managers play a key role in building a successful Lean Six Sigma organization. They must create and foster an environment that sets the stage for employee success. Let us now understand the fundamentals of a Six Sigma team. While we are learning the roles and responsibilities of Six Sigma teams, we have to ask a few pertinent questions for further clarifications. These are: how do you want the champion to work with the team? Is the team's role to implement or recommend? When must the team go to the champion for approval? What authority does the team have to act independently? What and how do you want to inform the champion about the team's progress? What is the role of the team leaders, like process owners and green belts, and the team coaches, like black belts and master black belts? Are the right members on the team? Are the team formed well both functionally, hierarchically? In the following discussion, we shall understand better. Now we discuss about Six Sigma teams. In an organization, ideally the Six Sigma team consists of 7 different set of peoples. They are Apex Council, Champion or Sponsor, Process Owner, Master Black Belt, Green Belt, Team members. These team members play pivotal roles in their capacity to achieving success in Six Sigma projects. We shall discuss more in detail about their roles and responsibilities. Apex Council are the top management. They are accountable for Six Sigma business results. They take all steps to develop a strong case for Six Sigma, plan and actively participate in implementation, create a vision and market change, become a powerful advocate, set clear, smart objectives. Actually, they take all steps to hold itself and others accountable, demand specific measures of results, communicate results, including setbacks, help quantify the impact of Six Sigma efforts on bottom line. Next is the Six Sigma champion or sponsor. They are senior managers who are responsible for Six Sigma results. They are the people who oversee a Six Sigma project, who are accountable to the Apex Council, who set rationale and goal for project and open to changes in project definitions, who find resources, time, support, money, for the team. They help the team overcome roadblocks and smoothen implementation. They focus on data-driven management. They identify and recruit other key players, assist in identifying and developing training materials. Next in the row are the process owners. They are the functional heads. They help to implement solutions through black belts and project teams, provide resources, help resolve conflicts, own end-to-end process. They also set goals for projects, review projects to steer the project on track. They are accountable to the Apex Council. They are actually responsible for holding the gains. In summary, the roles and responsibilities of a Six Sigma team are crucial for the successful implementation of Lean Six Sigma methodologies in an organization. The Lean Six Sigma team is a structured and collaborative group that works together to identify, analyze, and improve processes within an organization. Each member has specific roles and responsibilities, contributing to the overall success of Six Sigma initiatives. Together they help achieve product quality and operational efficiency improvements. For a Six Sigma drive, the Master Black Belts are Six Sigma coaches. They work as advisor and mentor of black belts and other team roles. Master Black Belts do a few important frontline works such as communicate with champions and Apex Council, establish and adhere to a schedule for projects, deal with resistance to Six Sigma approach, and resolve team conflicts. Estimate, measure, and validate savings. Master Black Belts also gather and analyze data on team activities. Plan and execute training. Help teams promote and celebrate successes. Document overall progress of Six Sigma. In Six Sigma improvement approach, Black Belts are the facilitators. They are accountable for Six Sigma business results. Their responsibilities are, inter alia, work as Six Sigma implementation experts, with the ability to develop, coach, and lead multiple cross-functional process improvement teams. Use tools to quickly and efficiently drive improvement. Facilitate to keep team focused on the project objectives and ensure that the Six Sigma methods are followed. They are also responsible to help teams learn and understand Six Sigma tools and techniques through regular project reviews. Also responsible for the ultimate success of the project. They train and develop green belts and spread Six Sigma awareness throughout the organization. For a Six Sigma drive, green belts are the project team leaders. They drive the Six Sigma projects and execute Six Sigma as part of their daily jobs. Among many of their responsibilities, the most important are to keep the project team focused on the project goal, to extract equal participation from all team members, to counsel non-participating team members and motivate them to participate, and to ensure that team meetings are disciplined, and that every meeting starts with an agenda. To ensure that minutes of meetings are distributed the same day. Regularly follow up with team members to ensure that assigned tasks are completed on time. To manage conflicts and seek intervention of process owner, champion, if necessary. They also play a dual responsibility of being process experts as well as trained resource on Six Sigma methods and quality tools. At last, the Six Sigma team members are the process experts who are responsible for working as vital team members towards success, having good knowledge of product, process, and customer, implementing plans of work in teams, devoting time to work on projects. Their other responsibilities are active data collection, process improvement, updating understanding of customer feedbacks, and ensuring high participation in projects.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.